Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you a solid review on Vaxy car scratch repair Wax review. So if it's legit or scam. So if you have any confusion, then watch till the end so you can get a clear overview and clear review about this Vaxy car scratch repair Wax. Based on available information, the Vaxy car scratch repair works appear to be a product with mixed reviews. Here is some negative feedback about this product. Several customers have expressed dissatisfaction with the product's performance. One user described it as a pure trash, stating it didn't fulfill any of its advertised claims and linked it to regular car polish. Another reviewer mentioned that the product doesn't work at all, comparing its consistency to wild glue and noting it failed to fix even small scratches. A customer reported that the product not only failed to remove scratches but also caused additional fine scratches during application. Here is some positive feedback. Despite the negative reviews, some users have found the product effective for minor scratches. One customer stated it has worked well on minor scratches, indicating some level of satisfaction with the product's performance on light imperfections. So here is the verdict. Considering it the mixed feedback, it's advisable to approach the VVAX card scratch repair works with caution. While it may offer some benefits for minor scratches, numerous users have reported unsatisfactory results. If you are seeking a reliable solution for scratch repairing, you might want to explore alternative product with more constantly positive review. So that's all about this Vaxy car scratch repair wax, and hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.